Hello mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Before ko mo go out sa balay, padung sa store, lantaw-lantaw sa mga tanum ako ha. Lantaw-lantaw sa mga tanum. Before ko mo go out sa padulong sa tindahan. Check. Kunon sana kanindot ang ako ang mga plants in each side. Mga friends, viewers, subscribers, just enjoy your watching with my vlog, looking around in my backyard. Plants. Vitamin C sa mata, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Vitamin C. Makapahupay sa problema or kakapoy sa kada adlaw. Ang akong tanom, which is I spend 2 days holidays for me. Clean up, repotting, putting soil and fertilizer too, mixing. So now look like very pretty. Just look lang mga friends ha. Enjoy. Actually, I was rich by plants, not money. Rich of plants. Any kind of plants, different kind of plants. Very rich. But no money, not money rich, no. Only plants. I have many. So rich of plants, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. If I got lucky here in my vlogging YouTube channel, I was planning like my whole lot, put a lot of plants like if I made it, I accept receptionist. Oh, like that my plan, but it's take long time. Take years, more by years, because you know, day by weekend, planting everywhere, and just also nangita sad kog adlaw nga nice gyud nga i-planting sa backyard. Kung masaksis ko na ning ako ang pagka planting sa each by each side sa akong lot, maybe I can make receptionist placed for any kind like wedding parties, because you know, plants only make nice, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. If you have a lot of plants in your backyard and then nice arranging, become very nice. It's like a receptionist, according to my friends Annalisa Lim. She said to me that design the plants everywhere from my backyard, so later if gonna be place is gonna be more pretty nice, can invest like a receptionist placed, accept like any kind of parties if I made it, but not sure. It depends upon the lucky in my life if I have. But it's take long years, mga friends, viewers, subscribers, happen in my life, because now just starting long years I made here, planting each by each side, years by years, and now like this, suddenly like this bloom. But another side, I just try now. Almost I have half hectares. I already plant each by each side of fence. So I hope it's gonna be grow up more quick and make it healthy, the plants that I put each by each side. So I just give my time here like a Saturday to Sunday, only weekends day, because you know, another day, Monday to Friday, I go to the shop, the store, working. Nothing's impossible, mga friends. Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible in life if always dreaming. Posible nga mahimo ang ako ang giplano. Kung keep lang always dreaming, always positive mindset in daily, guro makuha nako ni na all around in my whole lot that we have. My husband bought a lot of plants, and different kind of plants also that attract to the person looking. Maybe someday I can make receptionist, but it depends upon budget. If I have luck, work, or lucky that I made it whole what I did in daily Saturday, Sunday, I will be the one who was happy if I got lucky. Kung swertiun lang ko mga friends, viewers, subscribers, ako ang gitrabaho nga pagpanindot sa backyard nako, all of plants that I put in outside surroundings that belong each by each nya grow and make flowers. Wow na gyud ang ako ang placed. Kung naalang ko'y swerte nga makahimo ko sa ako ang plano. Same sa ako ang friend nga niingon sa ako nga all of plants put everywhere in my property that I have maybe become the place of accepting receptionist, but it's take years by years and I don't know if I can. Only the luck and the God knows if it's happen mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Mao nga mangandoy lang gid who knows na tinuod ay ako ang giingon. One day in my life pag start ko na ko planting dili mga friends, dili sa yun years by years sad, pero now become like this and become nice, more nice mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Kung hatagan lang og pagtugot sa kahigayunan nga ang gihatag og idea sa ako ang friend nga si Ma'am Analisa Lim, maybe lucky na kayo pwede nang mag-urong, pero need pag trabaho mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Kung next year nga dadun mi sa ako ang bana sa Japan, mo trabaho man jud ko ngadto, ako ning isiban sa ko ang trabaho nga in case of mang retire mi sa trabaho, makatrabaho na mi naning amo ang plano nga receptionist ko no, pero need pag yun need more hard work. No, walay imposible kung keep lang yun always dreaming and then do also something, not only dreaming, nothing to do. That's all mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Thank you for watching my vlog for today. Happy Monday!